alleged that Kolva PSI Vibhinav Sharod car brutally assaulted her and her husband after their motorcycle collided with a truck at Utoda on 19 June. They were assaulted with a baseball bat and the woman was asked to lick the PSI's boots. The incident took place in the jurisdiction of the Verna police station. The woman's lawyer Stanley Rodriguez gave the details. Benaulim MLA met South Goa SP Sunita Sawant and demanded that the SAI be immediately suspended. The ongoing drainage construction works directly opposite the South Goa Police Headquarters have severely exacerbated traffic congestion in the area, rendering the efforts of traffic police and other authorities ineffective. This development has created a significant bottleneck, particularly frustrating for students and complicating daily traffic management. While the common man is being arrested for routine incidents, even accident cases, why was Pooja Sharma allowed to file anticipatory bail? Why was she not arrested? Why were her call records not tracked? This is because someone at the highest level has been interfering in the investigation, Aam Aadmi Party has alleged. Why is the DGP not punished where serious allegations are made against him? Why are his phone calls not investigated? AAP asked. The Goa Cool Moonkar Sangharsh Samiti has questioned how Pooja Sharma was able to do her property mutation on Sunday within 24 hours. Who pressurized officials? Which minister or politician is involved? They questioned. They demanded an inquiry of all officials including Mamlatdar and others under a retired High Court judge. They said Cool Mundar cases were not settled for years despite directions from the High Court. They said the North Goa collector has no time to meet them. The villagers living in mining areas heaved a sigh of relief as the High Court of Bombay at Goa has directed the state government to strictly follow the Standard Operating Procedure (SOPS) issued by the Goa State Pollution Control Board (GSPCB) and the Directorate of Mines and Geology (DMG) in the transportation of the e-auction ore. The crime branch of Goa Police at a press conference claimed that they have cracked down an international job scam spanning various countries, including India, Myanmar, Vietnam, Thailand, Laos and Cambodia. They arrested the accused Mohammad Haji, aged 52 years, from Vijaypur, Karnataka for luring people with high salaried jobs and then offering them low-paying jobs. The number of cases of stray dog bites has gone up considerably. Incidences of rabies are also feared. In this edition of Street Voices, Herald TV asked people, is the government doing anything to control the stray dog population and avoid dog bites? Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways, Nitin Gadkari will lay the foundation stone for 650 crore rupees flyover from the Great Separator at Dabolim Airport to Queenie Nagar on 12 July. Transport Minister Moveen Godinho, who met Gadkari in Delhi, informed that he has requested Gadkari for deployment of an expert to conduct a comprehensive study, provide a swift report, and recommend immediate actions and necessary funding for addressing the critical issue of road safety in the state. Since electricity reached Kazur village in the Sangwem constituency, there has been number 24-hour power supply. Sometimes there is no power supply for 3 to 4 days. In the evening, the lights are dim. Residents are unable to complete their daily routine after dark. Students too are unable to work online since there is no power and Wi-Fi. The electricity poles are bent and about to fall, with wires lying on the ground for 12 years and anyone can get electrocuted. The Ponda Health Department has taken measures to prevent mosquito breeding and spread of dengue during monsoon. Fogging was conducted in various parts of the town and across the taluka, and awareness campaigns were held. The department inspected construction sites and alerted the people to clear stagnant water. A delegation of artists and others under the banner of Kala Rakhon Manch gathered outside Kala Academy on Tuesday, and broke the Shreefal, coconut, to launch their agitation for restoration of Kala Academy to its original state. They then proceeded to Mantralaya at Porvorim to hand over memorandums to CM's office. A large police forces has been deployed outside the main gate of the Manohar Parrikar International Airport, Mopa, to prevent any disturbances. This was done after the airport operators GMR increased the taxi parking fee from 80 rupees to 200 rupees. Furious taxi operators are protesting the sudden increase in the parking fee. Taxi operators had met the Chief Minister and it was agreed that the fee will be 80 rupees. However, GMR has stuck to its increased parking fee of 200 rupees. A non-Goan company has indulged in alleged massive destruction of groundwater by digging 15 illegal bore wells. 13 of these wells were found to be illegal and sealed by the Water Resources Department, Pername, on Tuesday. The company Ganga Reddy Infra Pvt Ltd has purchased 6 lakh square meters of land at Morji. Reddy Infrastructure has South Indian actor Ramchandran Tej Konidala, Preetham Reddy Null and Shilpa Reddy Null as directors. Villagers from various villages are facing severe power shutdown problems, especially during the rainy season. Villagers from Maloli, Sonal and Kodal villages marched to the Valpoi Electricity Department to show their anger at the constant power failures. The power comes for a short while and there is lot of power fluctuations. There are so many accidents due to lack of power supply for street lights. There is no progress in Nagargaon Panchayat, one youth said. The branch of a tree fell on the approach road to Mary Immaculate Church, Panjim. Luckily, no one was injured. The branch, however, damaged a car which was parked under the tree. There was not traffic jam on the usually busy road. The Fire and Emergency Services Panjim cleared the branch.